Bengal 2026 TMC versus BJP. What's really at stake on May 4th? Bengal's most consequential election in decades. Here's the full picture. West Bengal just recorded its highest voter turnout since 1951, a staggering 92.88% across 152 constituencies in phase 1. Both TMC and BJP are claiming the wave. Neither can be certain. What happened in phase 1? Voting across 152 seats in 16 districts on April 23, 2026. Phase 2 follows on April 29, counting on May 4. Sporadic violence reported. Election Commission suspended polling personnel in Pingla. The core battle. TMC. Mamata Banerjee 15 years in power. Welfare schemes as a shield. Bengali identity as an armor. BJP. Law and order, corruption, scandals, jobs, CAA. Framing this as a governance referendum. In 2021, TMC won 215 seats versus BJP's 77. Small swings now decide everything. The SIR controversy. Around 91 lakhs names were deleted from electoral rolls. TMC calls it disenfranchisement. BJP calls it removal of ghost voters. The Supreme Court declined to halt the process. This single issue may define the result. Key issues at glance: recruitment scams, ED, CBI, arrest of TMC leaders, CEA implementation and border infiltration narrative, women's safety post Arjikar incident, youth unemployment and industrial decline, Bengali Asmita versus national integration. The math: majority mark 148 seats out of 294. BJP needs a historic surge. TMC needs its welfare bloc to hold. Analysts remain divided on what the record turnout actually signals. Subscribe for sharp, no noise political analysis. New video every week. Hit the bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you.